Hi children, welcome to computer class. Today we are going to study the second part of Microsoft PowerPoint. We already understood the window and window parts. How can you open Microsoft PowerPoint? And also what is the use, the definition, what are slides in a presentation. All these points you understood in the last two classes. Now in this new lesson, lesson 12, you are going to understand how can you create and view a presentation. Now you are watching a presentation on the screen. How can you display it in full screen, and also how can you create it first, and designing. All these points you will just understand in this chapter. And also, dear children, you will study about Microsoft PowerPoint in the coming classes next year. Next year 4th standard, 5th standard and 6th you will study more on PowerPoint. Now we are just understanding the base of Microsoft PowerPoint. How can you open and how can you create a small presentation and how can you view a presentation. All these points we will just discuss now. Now we can study how to create presentation. How to create and view presentation. To create and view presentation, you have to open PowerPoint. Then start with the first slide. Add slides one by one. Then save the document and view the presentation. These are the steps to create a presentation. You have to open PowerPoint and start with the first slide. Add slides one by one. Save the document and view the presentation. So dear children, you can see some PowerPoint presentations are making. The screenshots you can see. Now dear children, we can move to the PowerPoint presentation. How to move? You have to click on the start button. If it is placed on the desktop, you can double click and open. Okay. Then Microsoft Office folder. There you can see Microsoft PowerPoint. A long list is there. You can choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint. And the window is opened. You can see. And in this window, one page, that is a slide in presentation. In the PowerPoint presentation, the pages are called as slides. By default, one page is there and you can insert more slides. And this slide is displaying in the slide here in the left side, sorted pan, and again here you can see the slide. Okay, it is spreading here. And you can see the two boxes in this slide that are dotted boxes. Okay, in this text, in this place only you can type the text. In this place only you can type the text. So you have to click here to type something. Now I am going to type one word, that is welcome. Okay, and in the another box you want to type something, click to add title. Here also we can type something. Class 3rd. Okay, and now we typed in both places. These dotted rectangular boxes are called as placeholders. These dotted rectangular boxes are called placeholders, and in this place we are entering text. Another area we can't type anything. Only in these two text boxes we can type. And there are different types of slides with one text box and more comparison type and many other types of slides also available. If you want to insert or work with the second slide, you have to click here in the new slide button. it will give you another type of slide. Okay, or you can change the layout by clicking here, and you can change the layout if you want. If I want to make this layout, okay, I am getting this layout here in the slide, and there is a new slide option is there. There you can click and insert more slides. The only problem is this: you have to change the layout according your work. Okay. Now dear children, you are typing something. When you click on any slide, that slide will be active here. Now I am clicking here, nothing will be there displayed. Okay, third slide I am clicking, that also in the same way. Okay, in the first slide only I typed some text. Okay, so this is welcome and class 3 I wrote. So I can select this word and just like what we are doing in MS Word, same way you can change the color, or you can change the font type. All these options are there according to the other applications. Okay, same options also there. Okay, you can see this. And now I am selecting this and adding another color, and I can make it big also. See, now we can select the second slide, and if you want you can add students name. Okay, students name. And here we can type the student's name, and also we can just girls and boys separate also you can write in this type of 2 columns. Okay, so whatever you want you can type here in this boxes, placeholders. This is called a placeholder, dotted rectangular box. And other places you can't type anything. Okay, if you have to insert a text box, and then only you can insert a text. And in the third slide nothing is written, so you can write anything. Okay, and you can add these 3 slides are there, and you can give a small design, or you can change the text color into any other, otherwise it will look black. Okay, and you can give designs also you can give. Any other designs you can select, and also you can type some text here also. Subjects also we are writing subjects, and here we can type the list like Malayalam. Okay, English, like that list you can prepare when you press enter. It is giving you another bullet. You can say this, like this way you can create a presentation, and you can use different effects also, that everything you will study coming here. Just like in MS Word you can type, use the keyboard, but the only thing you have to type inside the placeholders. These dotted rectangular boxes are called placeholders. Okay, now we want to see this presentation. You can save it if you want. Click on the file button and you can click on save. Then save dialog box is appearing. You can give a name and you can click on save. Otherwise no need. Okay, and now dear children, after saving you can view the presentation. For viewing the presentation you can press F5 key from the keyboard. F5. Okay, there are function keys F1 to F12. In that F5 key is there, that we are using for refreshing web pages and all. And so at the same time you can use this for viewing the slideshow. So dear children, you can understand viewing a presentation or slideshow. You have to press on F5, or you can choose from slideshow from the beginning or from the current slide. That also you can choose. Okay, but now here you are selecting the option slideshow from the beginning, and you can see, okay, like this you can see your slides in full screen mode. The same way you can press F5 key also, F5, and this also gives you presentation full screen mode. It will allow. Okay, you have to press the mouse button again so that you may get the slides, and it is playing here. You can see it full screen, and the things you can explain also. Okay, with the help of PowerPoint we can teach very efficiently, and also we can convey ideas or present some topics in front of others. So dear children, and you can save your presentation, and you have to click on the close button to close Microsoft PowerPoint. And here I am not changing the file, so I can press on don't save. If you are saving, you can click on save by giving a name. Okay, so you can study more about the PowerPoint presentation in the live class, how to create a presentation. So dear children, so you have to read the lesson well, and also you have to complete the new words and study well. Thank you.